Hello everyone, this is a part 2 of your chapter number 4, chart in Excel, and now I am going to tell about commonly used chart types. Different types of charts are available in Excel. Some of the most commonly used charts are column chart, bar chart, line chart, pie chart and area chart. Here, when you click on the insert tab, you can see charts group, and in this you can see different types of charts. Look at the chart groups of groups. You can see different types of chart groups, and the first one is column chart, line chart, and then pie chart, bar chart, area chart, scattered chart and other charts. First of all, I want to tell you about column chart. A column chart displays data in the form of vertical bar. It is used to compare values among individual items. Now, select the table and click on line chart. Hence, you can see here is created a line chart. And line chart is a form of lines. The chart uses connecting dots to display trends in data over a period of time. Now next is bar chart. Now I'm going to tell about bar chart. Right? First of all, click on it and delete it. Right? How you can delete this? Click on the delete option in your keyboard. Okay? Now start with the next bar chart. It is quite similar to column chart. Column chart is in vertical way and this is in horizontal way. Bar chart displays data in the form of long rectangular horizontal bar. A bar chart illustrates comparison among individual items. In a bar chart, categories are represented on the vertical axis and values are represented on the horizontal axis. Right? You can see the difference between column and bar chart. Now we can start with the pie chart. The next type is pie chart. Select a table and go to insert tab and choose the pie chart option. Here it's create a pie chart. A pie chart displays data in the form of sector. You can easily see the sectors over here, right? And of a circle that makes up a data series as a proportion of the sum of items. It is useful when you want to emphasize on a significant element. Okay, see the different colors are given there and it shows the marks of students in different subjects. Right now in this chart you can see the number of students in English. Right now the another topic is creating charts. First method you already have seen. The another method is you select the table and cells and press F11 key. There is a function key in your keyboard. Now you can see Excel automatically create a chart for you and new chart appear along with the sheet tabs, and this is how you can create a new chart. Now the next is formatting charts. Very interesting feature that you will not notice is in normal class. There is no option for charts on the ribbon.
But as soon
But
as you
as
click on
soon
a
as you
chart,
click on the chart, let me create a
let me
chart
create one
before
chart
this.
before this.
Select and
Select
Go
and
to
go to the
Insert
Insert
tab
tab and select
and
any kind of
select
chart.
any kind of chart.
So now, before you create this
Before you
chart,
create the chart,
okay, let me delete this.
let me delete this.
You can see
You
upside,
can see
Home,
upside,
Insert, Page Layout, Formulas,
Home,
Data, Review,
Insert,
View.
Page
The
layout,
name of the
formula, data
step in the
preview,
ribbon
and
is
name of
only
the
up to
ribbon is
View.
only up to
But
view.
as soon as you create the
As soon
chart,
as you create a chart,
you can see
you
some
can
more
see more
extra
option like
chart tools are showing
design,
there.
layout and
Design,
format.
layout, format.
Right?
Design,
You can see
layout,
design, layout
format.
and format. The chart tools
The chart tools
tab
tab
appears.
appears. You
You
can
can
use
use
this to
this
change the
tool
chart type,
to change the
modify
chart
source
type
data
and
and more
modify the
data, change
data
location
and
and
more
more
data
interesting.
change location, etc. Is very interesting. Is now you can see it's more interesting. Now in short,
Now,
formatting means
in
change.
short,
You can
formatting means you
change
can
your
change. Alright,
data in
you can
color
change
or
your
the way you
data, okay,
have
the way you
given
have given
and
your
make
data, the
more
colors and all, many things you
attractive
can change
it.
for looking it more
To change the type of
attractive.
chart
So
currently
for
in your
changing the chart
worksheet,
type, to change the
you can
type of a
click on the
chart
chart,
currently on your worksheet,
the chart
okay, click on
design
the
tab.
chart, you click on the
You
chart.
can see design tab is
The
there.
chart design tab.
Is open various
Design
design
tab, you can
tools.
see design is there.
You can see
The
various
chart
design tool
design
over
tab
here. There are many
opens displaying
charts
the
are
various
there.
chart tools. There are many chart
First
tools are there.
option
Click on the change
is
chart type.
shown here.
The first option which
Change
shows
chart
here,
type.
change chart type. The
First
change
option
chart
is
type
change
dialog
chart
box
type
appears.
appears. Click
Here
on
you can
it
see
and here
different
you
types
can
of
see
charts
different
are
types of
showing
chart
here. Choose the new
are
chart
showing
type
here.
and its
Choose the
subtype.
new
Okay,
chart
any
type
kind of
dialog
chart you
box
can choose.
appear and its subtypes
Pie,
are also there.
and again
Any kind
inside
of
this
chart you can
chart
choose.
type, subtype
Let me
also is
select
given there. Let me
any
select
one
any
of
one of
these.
these,
After click on the button, your
and after
chart
that
has
click the OK
already
button.
changed. Right?
Your chart has been already
Let me
changed.
try another
If you
one.
cannot understand, let
Select
us try the another one.
the select any chart from
Pie.
subcharts. I
Let me select
choose
this one.
a pie chart.
Click
Now
on.
click on OK button. Just changing the chart style. Let's click on charts group and you can see the chart style over here. Chart style appear there and you will see a gallery of different styles. You can select any one of them. You can change the chart style through this. Now next is changing chart option. Now I'm going to tell you changing chart option. Click on the layout from chart group and it display their various option like chart, title, axis, legend, data series and grid lines. See, there is many option to change the chart layout, right? Now click on the appropriate option. Let us click on the chart title inside. The chart title you can see more sub option has been given there. First is name, second is center. Now I want to click on center. From this, the title of your chart is come between the center. I can write marks of the student. Now you can change the title of the chart and I can write marks of the student over there. So this is how you can change the chart option. Like legend, like many other over here. Right? Let me show data label. Now I'm going to tell you about data label. There are many options, but I will select outside, and you can see the marks of the subject of each students here has been given there above the bar. Alright, and this, how can you make some changes over here in chart? Now I'm going to tell you about resizing, moving and deleting. First of all, see resizing. You can adjust the chart by using its handle. To resize the chart, let me tell you one thing. The resize means you can make it small or make it big. Resize means is that a chart proportionally drags the corner. You can look in the screen. You can drag the corner handle diagonally to resize the chart. You can also move the chart in your desired direction. You can click anywhere and drag it in the desired direction. Click on the chart, hold it and bring your chart in another location. So this is how you can move your chart. Now how can we delete a chart? As you have already seen, click on a chart and press delete key on your keyboard and your chart has been deleted from there. Next topic is changing data and text in the chart. Topic is changing data and text in the chart. Let me insert another chart once again. Alright, this is a chart. So now here, for example, if you changing any marks of the student, for example the name of Sumi and her English marks is 65. Now let me change it into 40. Okay, now you can see the change is here. It's become now 40. And number 4, Mona English marks is 75. You can see here the Mona marks is 75. Let me change the chart type first of all. I'm going to change the type of chart, right? And it will be more clear for you. Okay, now this is the chart. Let me change marks of Mona of English subject is 75 is given there. Let me change the marks of Mona into 60. The chart of Mona, alright, which one is English? Blue color is in English, and here is given 75 earlier. Now I have changed the Mona marks, and now you can see it is automatically decreased into 60, right? You can see over here. I hope you all are understood this chapter. Okay, put you in computer screen how to change your chart style, your chart, your how to resize, move or delete the chart, and change in text, also your components and advantages of the chart and types of chart. All these things, once you have watched this video, after that you can also practice once over school is reopened. Until then, goodbye and be safe.